Hello YouTubers and gig workers, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great time wherever you are. So today I'll be working Skip the Dishes from 10:45 to 1:45 and from 4 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Come along for the ride. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, watch the video to the end because I always do the breakdown and the summary at the end. So the time is 10:47 and I'm just gonna log in my Skip the Dishes run in there. So it's just gonna be Skip the Dishes only. So I have my first order and the time is 11:40. So almost close to 1 hour. The order is 7.9 kilometers. It's $18. Wow, thank you Skip the Dishes. 451.
451? Okay.
Customer is 10 minutes away. Not bad for $18. Well, I've been waiting for an hour for my first order. So I drop off that order. Transit pays $5.95. Customer tip $12.10. Thank you customer. This one is $9.44. Going 9 kilometers. I'll accept this one. Customer instruction, leave it at the door please. Okay, make sure you leave it at the door. Follow all instruction. New drivers. Complete customer order. Transit paid $5.10. Customer tip $4.34. So I have an order from Skip the Dishes, $4.49, 2.3 kilometers. Gonna accept that because my acceptance rate is at 70%. If you need to get the bump up pay, you need to be at 80%. Collect the order from a restaurant. Customer lived 1 minute away. 1 minute. Yep. Not bad, not bad. So I park at the customer address, and this is a car dealership. Let's go drop it off. Toyota car dealership. So I delivered that order. Transit pay is $4.49. Tip $1. Dealership people are really cheap. Wow. People, guess they don't make enough money. Come on, car dealership guys. You're selling thousands of dollars worth of cars. You can't tip your driver better? The time is 1:45 and I started at 10:45. My shift's gonna end now. I'm at $31.98, $10 an hour. Woohoo! Big money. Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm just gonna start my evening shift with Skip the Dishes. It starts from 4 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Skip the Dishes, no order. 4:30. No order, half an hour. You're wasting my time. What the heck? Skip the Dishes, 1 hour, no order. Skip the Dishes, no order. So I finally have an order from Skip the Dishes, 507, $5.10 for 6 kilometers. Transit 510. Customer tip 0. Big fat 0 for customer. We have another order with Skip the Dishes, $7.10, 6.7 kilometers. I'll accept that. 7292. Skip.
Please collect.
So I drop off the order from KFC. That was 3 2-liter drinks. Transit pay was $5.10. Customer tip $2. $7.10. Have another order from Skip the Dishes. $6.49. 1.6 kilometers. customer is 2 minutes away. Not bad, not bad. Hey, bud. Hey, how's it going?
Good.
I tried, but it's ringing, and it went to your voicemail or something.
Oh. No, I didn't receive any call.
Yeah, I buzzed it. Just ring, and then it went to your. Sorry, but I would have bring it up for you.
No worry, no worry.
Yeah?
No worry.
So I delivered that order from Bronx Social House. Transit pay was $3.49. Customer tip $3. So $6.49. Thank you, customer, for a $3 tip. So I have an order from Skip the Dishes. $7, 1.9 kilometers. I'll accept that. That order transit pay is $3.49. Top up is $2.51. And tip is $1. So I have another order from Skip the Dishes, $8.98, 5.2 kilometers from Little Caesars. I'll accept that. Uh, 2286. 2286.
Skip, right?
Yeah. So I pick up the order from Little Caesars. Let's see how far the customer lived. Customer is 6 minutes away. Let's go drop off customer pizza from Little Caesars. Drop off the pizza. Deliver the pizza. Oh, that's order from Little Caesar. Transit pay was $3.99. Customer tip $4.99. So I work 6 hours and a half, and I made $66.65. We divided by 6 to be around minimum wage, or just less than minimum wage, plus minus your gas. What I just want to say, working one app, it's not gonna pay you $20 an hour. You need to work 2 apps. I just want to try Skip the Dishes for 6 hours, see how much you could really make. It didn't pay out, right? The next thing, you have to go to a busy area like downtown, and my shift started early in the evening, was 4 o'clock. So actually there's not much order from 4 to 5. So if you want to start an evening shift, maybe start around 4:30 or 5 o'clock. 5 to 7, 5 to 8, 4:30 to 7:30. It's not bad. If you start at 4, you really get any much order, unless it's a Friday. Lots of people come home early from work, so then you probably get some order at 4 o'clock. On a Thursday, not much. You're not gonna get that much order. The next thing, on Skip the Dishes, you have to make sure you maintain that 80% acceptance rate, because today mine dropped below 70%, so I missed out at least $5-6 because I didn't get that extra bump up pay for make it $7 a trip in. If the customer didn't tip that much. So that's the next thing. Skip the Dishes, too many drivers. They have too many drivers out. The next time I work with Skip the Dishes, it's gonna be multi-apping. I like to work with 3 apps, 2 apps minimum. So guys, stay tuned for the summary. So hello guys, welcome back here, and this is the summary. First order was $18.05. Transit pay $5.95. Customer tip $12.10. Second one was $9.44. Transit pay $5.10. Customer tip $4.34. Third delivery, transit pay $3.49. Customer tip $1. Fourth one, transit pay $5.10. Customer tip $0. This one is $7.10. Transit pay $5.10. Customer tip $2. This one is $6.49. Transit pay $3.49. Customer tip $3. Transit pay $3.49. Top up was $2.51. Customer tip $1. And this one here, transit pay $3.99. Customer tip $4.99. I had 8 delivery equal $66.65 divided by 6 hours 0.5 give you $10.25 an hour. That's below minimum wage. Then you have to take out your gas money, maintenance. You're looking at $8 an hour. So it sucks to work with one app. You have to multi-app if you want to make $20 an hour. So this is what you get when you work with Skip the Dishes, one app. So thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.